Hello everyone. Today I am using the how to create a pivot table and Crosstab. So pivot table is used for mainly used for the summarize the data in perfect way. So I in this I am using the Panda library. Then I am using the in dataset name where the India district census 2011. Then is a data frame name, and I am passing the path of the dataset. And then I am display the df.head 7. I have given the condition in it show you 7 rows. If you not given any condition, that by default it show you 5 rows. So this is the data set name, and there is 7 rows and 118 column. State name, district name, population, male, female, literate, male literate, female literate, all these other. Next is I want to see the data types, which type of data is used, integer, object. So this is the integer, state name, district name are object type, and all other are integer type. Next, I am create the pivot table. This is the first method. So this is the variable name. Then pivot table where I am passing the value is equal to population. A population is the column name. Index may I have passed the state name. This is also the column name, and then column is district name. So in population, in values, we always use the numeric value, and index and column where we use the categorical values. So, so this is the data where is district is column. These are the column Ajmer, Agra, Ahmedabad. All these are the column name, and this is the state name, and there is the population is in Andhra have 274,123.9.0. Same thing is Arunachal Pradesh also have population with district. So also it is include the district value also, like a Gujarat. In Gujarat, there is Ahmedabad district have 72142250. This is the second method. Where I am using the DF same data frame name, and I have passed population, state name, and district name. It is similar to the column name is similar to the first method. So you can use the first method, or you can use the second method, which is comfortable to you. But output is the same. Both have same output. If you see, Andhra Pradesh, Adilabad district have 274,129.0. So output is the same. You can use any method. Next is I'm using the object in Panda object, then pivot table, where and then this is the data frame name, and literate is a column name, and state, then district. I want to see that how many person are literate in state wise, in state, and then in district wise also. So this is the Andhra. In Adilabad have 14,833,470 person are illiterate. Same thing is Arunachal Pradesh, then Gujarat, in Maharashtra. All these are the illiterate person. Next is Crosstab. Crosstab is take two argument, and it is also used for the summarize the data frame by using the grouping. Uh, so there is a PD is a object, then Crosstab where I am passing the df dot male and df dot literate means how many literate per male person are literate. So literate is show in column wise, and male are these are the male person, and it show you how many literate in state wise and district wise. Same thing is I only change the female, how many females are literate. So females are literate, this is the literate column wise, and female are there, and this is 10 is show for the state wise. Next is same thing where I am passing the column name df dot female literate, and then df dot population, and normalize is equal to index. So it show you by average value. So this is the female literate, and then is a population wise, so it give the average 1.0, 0.0. This is the average. Next is I import the library numpy. So that time I am using the crosstab by using the uh, array. So pd dot crosstab where I am passing the div dot sc is a column name is a schedule cast, and then is a df dot total power parity, and next value is df dot population, and function aggregate function है is equal to np is an object or numpy, then it give the average by population, in which it show you the sc and total power parity. One thing also I will tell you, AZGFUNC. It is compulsory to write. It is not you can take other variable. If you pass the average value using the numpy, then you give the same, write the same word, AZZFUNC. This is the output where the female literate, and these are the population, and sorry, this is wrong. This is the total power parity. It used show you column wise, and this is the sc, how many sc population, these are the sc population, and this is the power parity, and third it show you the, there is no to give the total average, population average. So so there is the in 45 there is 95219.0 average population. This is also it show you, this one is also show you the population in average wise. So this is the program.
Thanks
Hope
for
you
watching.
like
Please
it.
subscribe the channel.